Glide app tutorials, how to use Glide app for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Glide apps and intelligent apps for hyper efficient operations. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit glideapps.com. This site at the top left corner, you can see the site. Now you have to tap on the start for free after going to this dashboard, or you can say interface or home page. And before starting it, tap on to continue that we used cookies to improve our service. Then tap onto this option so that it does not interfere in your browsing later. Now tap on to start for free. So wait until the page loads completely. Also, you can just sign up if you wish to by clicking on the sign up option at the top right corner. And there we go, just tap on to sign up with Google, or you can just simply enter your work email and then tap on to sign up with email. To make the process shorten, I'm going to tap on to sign up with Google, then I'm going to choose any Gmail account I have, then I'm going to just tap on to continue, and that's pretty much it. Now lastly, I'm going to tap on to continue again, and there we go. Now it will redirect me to their dashboard. Wait until it loads completely. So there we go, this is what it looks like. Now we have to answer some common questions. For example, how did you hear about Glide? So I'm gonna tap on to um this one. Then you have to enter that, how did you hear about Glide? So okay, now you can enter your questions. Now you can enter your agency name if you have one. Then you can enter the role option. You can enter your job level, and then you can enter that how many people working at agency, then tap on to next. Wait until the page loads. Now here we go. Now you have to summarize your idea. You have to enter that what you want to create. So I'm gonna choose into knowledge. That's the thing. So I think that's pretty much enough. Now tap on to continue and let the Glide app AI analyze it. And if you want, you can also skip this phase by simply tapping onto skip option at the top right corner, but for now that's enough. And now tap onto let's glide and let's check it out how it turns out. So here we go. Now you can create new app by simply tapping onto app. You can merge new apps, for example Google Sheets, Excel, etc. Just also you can tap onto create app, and then you'll be able to create an app. So let's wait until it loads perfectly. So there we go. Basically Glide is an app maker. Okay, this make app with the help of AI. You can easily make any type of app that you want. So this is a basic app, you can check it out. You can also tap onto table to make it tabular. Also you can tap onto this card option. Now you can go to more advanced option. You can add conditions if you want it. You can tap onto OK. Then you can choose all these things here, styles of your app. And from the user profile left corner, here you can check out your user profile, and by clicking onto this plus icon you can create components. For example, image component if you want. You can also add more profile picture if you wish to. So let's go back and tap on this plus icon. Let's upload some images. Let's change it and then tap on it. Now let's add emphasis. Now you can also add action from here. You can just customize them according to your need. You can add a title to it, icon to it, and many more. You just have to save them up. Or you can edit them more if you wish to. You can check out your collections from here. You can also check out layout your workflows here. As you can see, row creator, email ingester, email summarizer, etc. You can just tap onto it. You can also tap onto the settings option, and there you go. This is your settings option. You can check out your desktop preview. You can also check out your mobile preview. You can by simply tap on add options, so you can add name, descriptions. You can upload an image if you wish to. You just have to open it up, and then you have to enter a name, category, description, then you can submit it up. So there we go, the image has been added. You can just simply choose the text and you can easily add images according to your need. And lastly, you just have to save them up, and that's what you need to do just. And that's pretty much it. Now lastly, here you can see this upgrade option or publish option. You can check out the upgrade option. These are their offers: explorer, maker plan, business plans. They basically offer three types of plans. You can check out these plans pricings. For example, the explorer is only $19 per month, but you have to bill it annually. Like for the whole year you have to pay it on advance. You can also check out monthly subscriptions from here, and as you can see, monthly subscription is little bit pricier than the yearly one. It is a little bit costly, so I would suggest you that if you want to use Glide app for a long time, then you can go with the yearly one. And if you're just exploring it out, then you just go with the monthly offers. So now you have to tap onto this publish option at the top right corner, and from there you can see this link. You can just create a link. You can add a random name of your link, and then you can publish it if you want. So this is what it looks like, and then just simply tap on the publish. Wait until it loads completely. And if you want to change it to public app, then you can just tap on this share icon. You can copy the app link. So let me show you how it turns out here. You can just copy the link, and if you I want to add users, you can just enter email and you can send invite. So if you want to make a public app, then you must have to pay the premium version of Glide app. So that was pretty much it. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and let me know in the comment section that what type of videos you want to see in the future. Till then, take care, goodbye.